Hello home buyers. Today we bring a property by Aurobindo Realty who started just over a half decade ago and have built India's tallest office building with precast technology within a record time of just 2 years. Stay with us till the end as we have a surprise for you that you don't want to miss. Today, we are going to review the Regent, an ongoing project by Aurobindo, a township that spreads lavishly across 10.3 acres of land. Although the Regent home is just a short distance away from financial district and high-tech city, but that's not the reason why you buy here. You have a 2,300 acres of greenery in the vicinity from the University of Hyderabad and a breathtaking view of 52 acres deep blue lake, and it's the perfect mix of city and countryside living. In all, the Regent will have 5 towers with 39 floors, making it the tallest building in the neighborhood. This project is RERA approved for Phase 1 that consists of 3 towers, Pristine, Esteem and Serene. The RCC structure is 100% completed for these 3 towers and the position will be in 2024. Each tower will have 8 flats per floor, east, west and north facing. All flats are 3 BHK ranging from 1497 to 1950 SFT. Please note, the Pristine Tower will have a direct lake view, but of course that comes at a premium price. But don't be upset if you are not taking a house in that tower. There is a viewing deck that serves everyone in the society. Now let's see how to reach the site. This property is located on the old Mumbai highway road that goes from Lingampalli to Gachibowli. You have to take a left turn from Supreme Sports Studio and on the left you can see the Regent. Once you reach the site, you will be well greeted with the Regent's Experience Center, as you are not allowed to enter the construction area. The Regent's Experience Center has a double-heighted entrance lobby, model 3 BHK premium residency, model space, cafeteria, conference and a AV room. Now let's look at few of the amenities that the Regent has to offer. 2 entry gates, 1 sculpture plaza, 1 grand clubhouse spanning over 50,000 square feet. This property claims 32 indoor amenities such as crush, lobby, table tennis, squash, game room, meeting room, gym, supermarket, party hall, mini theater, and co-working space. Additionally, there are more than 50 outdoor amenities including tennis court, swimming pool, aroma garden, Gulmohar Plaza, cycling track, jogging track, beach volleyball court, and basketball court to name a few. You can pause here and note down the list of all the key destinations in the proximity. Now let's talk about the pricing. The base price is 8,299 per SFT. So a residency size of 1877 SFT, the total sales value will be 1.79 CR, which includes the super built up area cost, 2-car parking, clubhouse fee, floor rise, if any, infrastructure charges, and the GST. And here comes the surprise. In a month's time, RERA will be received for Tower 4 and 5. The base price will start from 8,000 per SFT. That means for a 2,200 SFT flat, you can save 6.5 lakhs. Plus, the view will be facing 2,300 acres of greenery from the University of Hyderabad. You will have multiple flat options to select from and avoid paying for any floor rise price. And finally, thank you for watching this video. Please do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Jai Hind.